open shop. Awuvanga ispaza shop ziyavalwa zabantu bokufika wena you are opening.
The guy is calling me to open.
Who's the guy?
The owner.
Who's the owner?
The guy.
The guy.
Yeah.
Doesn't have a name.
I don't know his name. I just have his number.
So you just know the number and you're coming here. Did you go to the chief to report yourself that you are here?
No, he just invited me to open here.
When you get a number,
even people from
I
this
came
village.
with someone with the driver from here.
From where?
From here.
Okay, listen here. You're not gonna open a spaza shop here.
Yeah, I just stopped it already.
Yeah, stop.
Yeah.
You're not gonna open a spaza shop. You are running from town now. You are coming here.
Yeah, I need another one.
Another one. Where is that?
If you want the shop, I have got to say.
you have another one in town.
Yeah, we are running in town.
Yeah,
Where?
in town.
What is the name of the business?
Where now?
Yeah,
Where in town?
that container in town.
Which container?
Do you know that container business is reserved for locals, not for
already
you?
we live most.
Sorry?
We do already most. We live.
We leave the town. You
Yeah.
come to the locations.
Yeah.
But why are you coming to kill a business that is right here?
Killing.
No, you're killing the business that is
The guy
here.
didn't tell me that's here.
But I am telling you,
He said he don't have a shop here. Nothing here, he says so.
who is the guy? Give the name.
This one.
Give the
I
name.
don't have his name.
Allah.
But you know his number,
Yeah.
and you have a right. You come here and do
He
the
said
business.
in Cape Town, he said I live the shop. If you want, I have the shop all one. You can renovate.
He just told you. He just told you.
There is a Mabuta.
Mabuta?
Mabuta, the driver. I came with him.
Who's Mabuta?
Mabuta.
Who's Maputa?
You will meet him in town.
At Mapele, next to Ryan.
Mabuta. He is driving.
Okay, but it's okay. Let me make this
It's
straight.
not need to take a camera.
No,
for this one.
no, there isn't it. Listen here then. I'm not gonna open
It is
here.
not need to take a camera here.
You cannot tell me, you must tell me in your country, not here. This is South
What are you supposed to
Africa.
tell us?
This is South Africa. In your
You're supposed to
country.
listen here. You're supposed to listen here.
Man doesn't have a camera.
What?
A man doesn't have a country. So when even here in your country.
Your country, brother.
Oh, when you're not gonna open here. I am telling you.
I just stop it now.
Yeah.
This is Africa. This is my land. This is.
Your land.
Your land.
From Ethiopia.
In Bumerwana, you have land in Bumerwana.
No matter wherever. This is Africa.
So you can open anywhere you want.
No, listen to me.
We're gonna even close the container in town.
Go and close it. No problem.
Yeah.
It is closed.
It's closed.
So you are happy for that.
That's good. You must go back to Ethiopia with your
cannot.
attitude. With your attitude,
I cannot.
you cannot go back. Why?
I'm working here. I came to
You
make business.
make business.
I can go to Ethiopia to work.
Why?
So you come here.
So why are you running away from your country?
I'm not running.
But
I'm choosing to make business here in South Africa. Even I want other countries.
but you know that according to the immigration law and the refugee laws, you must have minimum investment of 5 million. Do you know that?
I know it.
But
How much did you bring when I here to come and invest?
I just came myself.
so you know that you have no right to open the spaza shop, but you open it.
I do already.
You have the right to open the spaza shop.
I do have, yeah.
Who says you have
You
the
know,
right?
in Ethiopia, my brother,
Yeah.
there are laws in Ethiopia. Even here, there are laws. That's the laws that we are enforcing now. We are telling you now, you're not going to open the business here.
I already stopped this one. So, but you don't need to take a camera.
No, I can do whatever. You must tell Ethiopians not to take pictures.
This is my country.
Which one?
Africa. This is not Asia. This is not America. So you guys, you just only here, just only your country, you think.
So this one is your country.
I just like that, yeah. I'm thinking like
So
that.
you,
guys
so
are
you,
telling
so
us-
you will never go back to Ethiopia.
So,
Why?
So now you're gonna move from this village now to another village.
no, I don't go because you guys are following me. I don't open anymore.
All right. Now how are you gonna survive now?
I think we are playing our life now. Yeah.
Huh?
We are playing with our life now. You guys are following us. No problem. I stop this.
So what are you gonna do now? How are you gonna survive if you don't want to go back home?
I do have a business.
Well,
I just want to open here a branch.
A a branch.
Yeah.
You open branch.
Yes. They do have other business.
But here, my brother, you must close this one.
They do.
Okay.
Even that in town must close.
No, don't worry.
It is closed already.
That one is closed. It was a container. That one is closed.
Yeah.
Even this one that you have, also we're gonna close it.
How?
No Ethiopian will run this spaza shop, not in Gum. I am not asking you, I am telling you. All these things that we are saying, my brother, you must say it in Ethiopia, not here. And this is not your land, I am telling you. This is not your land.
This is my land. Wherever you post, this is my land, this is my country, this is Africa. This is your country. Yeah.
Okay,
because you guys, even you don't know how to go to Joburg, how to go to Malawi, how to go to Zimbabwe. That's why you are forcing to chase other people. You see, if someone is living from Eastern Cape to Joburg, you know how to leave other countries. Some people. You guys just only live in Kumbu.
It's okay. It's okay. The biggest town I have and the biggest town I know.
You don't know.
That is my town.
That's
this
why
is my
you are
town.
even
So I cannot
you
share
know
my
how to
town. I cannot share my town with you. That's a problem.
Do you have the passport to be?
I do. I do have everything.
Do you know when you open a spaza shop?
Yeah.
When you open a-
Since when people are living here with the spaza shop? You people are crying in 2026 for.
So we're
Why you
supposed.
sleep? There was all the
No, we're not sleeping.
Even
We're not sleeping.
when the people is starting here, coming to be foreigner.
So are
How
you
long
not
that-
are you not a foreigner?
Even you before.
Are
you
you not
go,
a foreigner?
I'm due. Yes, I am.
You are a foreigner.
Yes.
So now here,
But don't cry in Africa. You are same blood, same blood.
I'm not saying blood. I'm
We
not
are.
saying no.
That's why
If
you
you
don't
see me in Ethiopia, you must taste me in Ethiopia.
We cannot.
No, you
We
must.
cannot. Even the
But
freedom is coming from Ethiopia.
unfortunately,
Yes, your freedom is coming from Ethiopia. I'm telling you.
even if you see me in Ethiopia, then you must chase me away.
Yeah,
But I
Mandela
will
is
never.
living in Ethiopia.
Mandela.
He never
Yes,
opened
Tonga.
the
Mandela.
Even he has a passport.
Mandela
of
doesn't
Ethiopia.
open the spaza shop in Ethiopia.
But your freedom is coming from Mandela.
Freedom is coming from
The freedom
Ethiopia.
is coming from. Yes. Even you don't
So my
ask me.
okay, no, it's fine, my brother.
Okay,
Ne?
first-
Pack your things. Pack your things.
I
We are
don't have
leaving
it
now.
here, Chin.
Nah.
I just came today
All right. Where is the owner of this house?
in Cape Town.
You know him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's the one who called you.
Yeah.
He never even introduced you to the chief.
No, he didn't.
He didn't introduce you to the community.
He didn't.
You see, your safety is compromised, and our safety as well as communities compromised.
You see, when I
Because-
came here in South
because-
Africa, you see, no problem for safety. Yabon. When you go somewhere, you're gonna take yourself risk. Yabon.
So you don't.
You see the problem. Even you don't know how to leave other town.
So, my friend, you don't care
You are
about safety.
talking now for safety. If you beat me, if you kill me, you see,
No one is gonna kill you.
you see.
No one is gonna kill you. The only thing that will make sure that you don't open a business. That's
No matter.
all right. Thank
No
you.
matter. You still me.
No one can verify your passport, your things here. You are right to be here. Just enter and do the business.
If you want to.
But no, you can go any country, but not in Gumbu now. 2026 is the end
You see,
of
you-
your freedom. Yeah.
See, you people,
Thank you.
you don't know how to live.
Bring to Badekhaya. Ngizobona eMozambique ngenyanga zama-Agasti iyasuka eMozambique. Abahamba abantu beyocela kuhulumeni imashi ithi osesizwe ngoba sizosebenza la sizothi osesizwe sicela ukubuka ukuthi kuhamba kahle nendaweni yenkosi. Uma sibafica laba abantu inkosi asibashaye. Asibaphuce into zabo asenze lutho inkosi sibuze nje ukuthi wendoda lapha kukwaNtembe la. Wena ungwaphi? Athi ngwasebangladesh. Bese ngisondela kancane awusikho ngeBangladesh la. Awukulungisa kuloloma ubheke ngaseBangladesh. Ngoba ingozi ekhona ngalezi zitolo ukuthi oqashiwe akafundi lutho. So kusho ukuthi nje uzoba umqashwa uyoze yofa. Sifuna ke kubuye umnotho lo walapha emakhaya. Ikhona imali, zikhona inhlelo uma behamba laba bantu same time izitolo zizovulwa iqhubeke zisebenze. Uma ngabe ke umama owayeqashiselele izayizayo ngoba liyumkhwenyana wakhe, shuthi uzovala isitolo alihlalisa ngaphakathi endlini. Kodwa sekuyicala ke nalokho amaphoyisa ayakubona. bazohamba izitolo sizom-engage uhulumeni ukuthi ayikhiphe imali yokusiza ama-tuck shops ngoba ikhona imali eqondene nalokho iwu-500 million ikhona hayi ukuthi ayikho inikezwa bona laba bantu imithetho-ke uthi umuntu okufika akakwazi ukuba ne-spaza shop akakwazi ukuba ne-car wash akakwazi ukugunda abantu akakwazi ukuba ne-cash and carry akakwazi ukuba ne-salon akakwazi ukuba nemoto lezi iy'moto ey'thutha abantu la abakwazi ukuba namatekisi but zonke lezi engiy'balayo banazo kodwa umthetho umile ukuthi akuvumelekile lokho uthi umthetho uma ezokwenza ibhizinisi la e-South Africa ufuna abe nemali engango-5 million aqale ayifake ibe ngaphambili bese South Africa through treasurer ukuze kuzoba ukuthi uma kwenzeke kuphula imithetho afayinwe kuleya mali makwenzeka kufanele ahanjiswe ngoba umthetho akufanele ukuthi ahanjiswe ngemali kahulumeni kufanele ahambe ngemali yakhe ngoba wayifikela phela so ke yonke le mali esetshenziswayo ukuthutha laba bantu ithenda nje yokuyidlela imali nokulungiselela ukhetho mina abantu ngithe abayihambele angishongo ukuthi abathuthwe ngathi abayihambele bayahamba webakwethu abantu bayahamba futhi ngizobona labo kuthiwa abafuna ukuhamba labo kuthiwa bagoloza kusasa ngiyegoli nje mangisuka la ngizolala egoli ekuseni kusasa nibuka i-TV ngizobe ngivala izitolo egoli kusasa bayahamba mangibuya ngomhla ka-21 ngomhla ka-20 ngomhla ka-30 ngiyolungisa eZululand ngiyovala iZululand yonke kuze kushaya umhla ka-10 August mangiqeda ngiyaphinda ngiyakhuleka enkosini ngiyabuya so ke zoqala la kwayikhali ngomhla ka-12 zoqala apha enkosini yakwayikhali ngomhla ka-12 mangiqeda khona ngiyehla ngizangapha nenkosi ungwane futhi singithintile ekuseni umalume wami lapho wanqumalo inkosi singithintile amakhosi angapha ngizohlala la inyanga yonke uma-ke kunomngane wezayizayo hamba ukulitshela ukuthi ayi uyabona-ke nangokweka umphakela uneke izandla uvele ungalokhu uyifaka kule nkulumo uthi uyawulihlebela uthi wengane yakwethu cha mina nginayo inkinga nawo kodwa uyabona lo muntu lo nami ngeke ngikwazi ukulawo uma ukweleta ahambe yokhokha ningawabalekeli banikeni imali ukuthi ahambe ehambani wakhokhela uma induna yabeka umuntu okufika induna inkosi ungayitshelile hambe yomphuca incwadi hambe ufike umbuzo wathi ngibonile incwadi yakho ukuyithatha ngoba mina mangiyithola ngilethe enkosini uthi awulabezetha kanti inkosi ngihleli nayo nje iyanika lo muntu le ukuthi akahlale phakathi kwabantu onungayo so-ke sizokwenza ngokuthula kenkosi yesizwe siyathembisa ukuthi inkosi njengoba isemukela akukho esiyokwenza amaphoyisa engekho akukho esiyokwenza futhi kwephule umthetho akukho futhi esiyokwenza induna yakuleyo ndawo okunaleso sitolo khona ingenalo ulwazi ingakho konke sizokwenza sizodlulisa enkosini inkosi isisinike umuntu ofanele osuke okufanele asiphelezele siye kuleyo ndawo leyo inkosi yesizwe ngithokoza kakhulu ngethuba uNkulunkulu abusise siyabonga
siyakhishwa ebhilidini njengoba sibona nje impahla zethu zika nje lokhu mina ngikuphethe ngoba into zey'ngane ey'balulekile ey'ngafa uma bengabe bangasakazi into zey'ngane lezi zesikole izona engithe akiy'bambele ngezandla zami ngoba kubukhulu ukuthi ngiphinde ngitheke ngoba angisebenzi iy'mpahla zami nazi nje manje sebeyayikhipha lezi ezomunye usisi ezami nazi isesendile phela bengisazama ukuthi ngiqoqe phela ngoba besikade sisahambile siyocela ukuzwa kuPrim ukuthi ithini into yethu bakwethu yebo manje na ke kathiwa hayi safika kaPrim akathiwa silinde sibuye ngolesithathu sizozwa impendulo ngoba usebhalelile uPrim ka-housing ukuthi ene abazama ukuthi babheke indawo la ngaphakathi edrobheni ngoba iy'ngane zethu nazi lezi ey'funda e-primary ney'funda e-Claywood. Wathi-ke kakathi bese sithi-ke sibuya phela sozobuya ngolesophinda kaPrima ngolesithathu asisakwazi-ke. Kona kunjalo-ke kuze kufikele lapho ukuthi siyaphuma namhlanje siphume kanzima namanje ugesi uyacishwa sithi siyabona bayawulayitha iy'ngane nje namhlanje ihambe ey'shwabene ngoba ugesi bawucishiwe. Uma usuphumile ebhilidini thungabusangena ngaphakathi. Ongaphakathi naso isikhala kade bechusha kusona abancanyana. Ney'ngane zesikole zichusha lana mayiphumile zesikoleni. Impilo esiphilayo. Lana kuleli bhilidi sivalelwa ikwerekwere lisivalela ugesi, ikwerekwere lisivalela igate. Kodwa kuthiwa thina asivote. Sivota kanjani sibe siphethwa amakwerekwere esigibela ngaphezulu esivimbela. Ngoba namanje ayikho into edalwe esikhishelwa yona ngoba phela bese uhamba ngolesithathu siwazi ukuthi-ke uPrima-ke kuthiweni abaka-housing bayitholile indawo. Kunzima okwethu lana eSouth Africa ukuthi siyavota kodwa asinakekelwa. Siyavota kodwa asinakekelwa. Sifuma amakwerekwere azosicishela ugesi, sifika amakwerekwere azosikhipha njengoba namanje lesikhishwe ngamakwerekwere uzowabona ekhipha iy'mpahla.
Wena mama bathi awuqualify ngaliphi?
Mina bathi angiqualify ngoba umyeni wami wayenesite eLovu wayidayisa dala shuthi bangasulelana nalomuntu oyidayisile abadayiselene naye kase kuthiwa-ke angiqualify. Ngahamba noThamsanqa Mkhize saya khona laphana eLovu wafike wathola ukuthi angiyena owakhona abantu bakhona abangazi. Kwase kumakhelwane kadlulisa abantu abakhona laphana kulwamuntu kasathi sayidayisa sebakhila iminto ewu2 room. Umakhelwane wathi-ke uma wakhona wahamba ngoba abadodakazi akhe wasenabantwana abawu2 indawo iyehlela yimbi wabona usingaze khona ukuthi-ke akade ingane umama wahamba wayokwakha kwenye indawo washiya umfana obegadile laphayana. Wayesethi-ke umama lo kamakhelwane akayazi inamba yomfana kodwa umfana ufika ngabo6 ngokuthi sasihamba noThamsanqa siya le kaNyuso siya kobheka komunye futhi naye ohlala la eThekwini kodwa ongahlali la kuleli bhilidi beyobheka indawo yakubo. Wayesethi uThamsanqa-ke mase bangithi mina kulo mama akasinikeze inamba khona ezongixhumanisa nalowo bhuti ohlala laphayana. Wathi uThamsanqa angihambe mina ngemotini umuntu ozoyithatha inamba uyena lento izoqhubeka naye. Ngayitshela mina ukuthi-ke ngoba iziyafika iy'ncwadi kubantu abantu abathi abanemxhasa emakhaya okusho ukuthi njengoba ingasafika incwadi kumina ingoba nako bayilungisa leyo nto kanti abayilungisile sekuyabe sebengifihla ngencwadi ngomhla ka-11. Okusho ukuthi nje vele nje bebevele befuna ukuyidla indlu yami ngoba akwazi ukuthi yonke ngabhalisa kusukela wolo ngabhalisa la bafika la sebezosibhalisa okugcina bephethe amafomu abhala ukuthi siye eConopia. Sekuyaba manje sekuthiwa-ke asisayitholi izindlu.
Saqualify kwasenibhaliswe
sasibhaliswe saqeda yonke into. Okunye futhi kunabantu ekuthiwa abayitholi izindlu kodwa uma kufike abantu abazothenga amakhadi kagesi abakhona lapha eConopia ngamagama labantu ekuthiwa abayitholi izindlu. Umasipala nje ubonile yena uThamsanqa Mkhize noXulu hayi shame odoti rabish basemgqomeni labo nje odoti rabish basemgqomeni ngoba kunje ngihlezi lana kabuhlungu kanjena nje ingenxa kaThamsanqa Mkhize indoda enamadread ikhohlakele ngendlela eyisimanga hayi nale uXulu-ke naye ikhohlakele ehlala ifaka ibhulukwe elilodwa.
Qina mhlali qina ezi zithu zinikwe i-life sentence bekufanele bazifumene i-death penalty qha yikho eMzantsi Afrika kudala sicela si-ACC uba khanizise i-death penalty. Lo nalo babulele i-domestic worker yalo osatana amaqotha aqekile onqaba amaqunge eqorhuxetsheni oswana sibomvana mantshontsho kaNomoyi. Imagine into ebuhlungu eyenzeka lo uthatha i-step daughter sakhe uyinesi yena ke uthatha i-step daughter KZN uthi zamntanami uzohlala nami eGauteng ndishoda ngomuntu osebenzayo uzakuncedisa apha endlini avume shema umntana avuye ubusisiwe enqimalo avuye nyani buzawufumana umsebenzi umama uyakhathala kanti lo usi Mthembile Xulu urecruited le inguSimon Mogale into kuba mamela ke ndiza kubhatala ndifuna uncedise sibulale Busisiwe lo kuba kukhona imali ezawuphuma xa simbulele yabekele nja eliqungequ iqotha qekile uRhoxetsheni efake kwi-insurance i-life policy lo unguBusisiwe Nxumalo engange 6 million rands. Now nansoke inqontsonqa now umbizeli bazophangela apha nje silizophangela apha eGauteng imkekhezedena akho umsebenzi mntana ndifuna uphangela ukwazi uzoya akambizeli lonto umbizela uzomxhela ukwenzela bakwazi ukuzi enricha yena abhatale ke ngoku lena ibiyigardener yakhe le ibiyigardener kaSimthembile Xulu but ngoku sithetha nje bobabini baqamelele ngengqiniba CACC ke bahlali besinovuya kakhulu xa sinokhawuleza sibuyisa isigwebo sentaba eMzantsi Afrika ukwenzela into kuba imikhube nje sizama ukuyinqumla sizama ukuyidepha ingaxhaphaki kakhulu ngoba imininzi imikhube nje eMzantsi Afrika because wonke umuntu uyadabhata bazenzela abasiswana sibomvana amaqotha aqekile uRhoxetsheni bazenzela ngonomoya ezintsha uSathane amantshontsho kaNomoya siyathandaza ke intoba ifamily kaBusisiwe ifumane noko ukuxola with this outcome ngoba ngokubaza basetrongweni ubomi babo bonke siyayazi ke eMzantsi Afrika kuve kuthiwa hayi they are behaving kuve kuthiwa kwi-parole. These things don't deserve a parole. Bafanelwe lingcwaba nabo kuthiwe kubo rest in peace. Siyathandaza umphefumulo kaBusisiwe uphumle ngoxolo kuyo yonke lento ibhlungu kangaka. Umntana abulawa kabuhlungu kangaka. Qina mhlali qina.